Much hyped meeting between Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus and BNP's acting chairman Tariq Rahman held in London. Tariq Rahman proposed holding polls before Ramadan. If all preparations complete, polls could be held in the week ahead of Ramadan, says Chief Advisors. Uncertainty resolved through a meeting between Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus and Tariq Rahman, observes BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir. Five dengue patients died and another 159 admitted to hospitals in last day. 2 people died of corona and 15 cases detected in last 24 hours, says Health Directorate. Eid return is crowd bus, train stations and launch terminals in capital, Dhaka getting back its usual ambience. Chief of Revolutionary Guards and some scientists killed as Israel strikes Iran's nuclear and military establishments. In retaliation, Iran launches drone attacks in Israel. And Bangladesh national cricket team leave home for Sri Lanka to play full series, including 2 tests. Assalamu alaikum. Welcoming your news at 10. I'm Nazneen Khalid Zubair. You have just heard the headlines. Now move on to the details. The much hyped meeting between Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman was held at Hotel Dorchester on Park Lane in London Hotel today. The meeting was held in a very cordial atmosphere. BNP Standing Committee member Amir Khusro Mahmood Chaudhry and BNP Acting Chairman's International Affairs Advisor Humayun Kabir were present at the meeting. Later, National Security Advisor Dr. Khalilur Rahman and Amir Khusro Mahmood Chaudhry jointly briefed the journalist. Dr. Khalilur Rahman said in the meeting, the Chief Advisor told Tariq Rahman that if all preparations are completed, the next general elections could be held in the week before the start of the holy month Ramadan in 2026.
জনাব তারেক রহমান প্রধান উপদেষ্টার কাছে আগামী বছরের রমজানের আগে নির্বাচন আয়োজনের প্রস্তাব করেন। দলের চেয়ারপারসন বেগম খালেদা জিয়াও মনে করেন ওই সময় নির্বাচন অনুষ্ঠিত হলে ভালো হয়। প্রধান উপদেষ্টা বলেন যে তিনি আগামী বছর এপ্রিলের প্রথমার্ধের মধ্যে নির্বাচন অনুষ্ঠানের ঘোষণা দিয়েছেন। সকল প্রস্তুতি সম্পন্ন করা গেলে 2026 সালের রমজান শুরু হওয়ার আগের সপ্তাহেও নির্বাচন আয়োজন করা যেতে পারে। সেক্ষেত্রে সেই সময়ের মধ্যে সংস্কার ও বিচারের বিষয়ে পর্যাপ্ত অগ্রগতি অর্জন করা প্রয়োজন হবে। জনাব তারেক রহমান প্রধান উপদেষ্টার এই অবস্থানকে স্বাগত জানান এবং দলের পক্ষ থেকে তাকে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করেন। প্রধান উপদেষ্টাও জনাব তারেক রহমানকে ফলপ্রসূ আলোচনার জন্য ধন্যবাদ জানান।
ঐক্যমতের পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমরা সংস্কার এবং জুলাই সনদ দুটাই করব। সকলের ঐক্যমতের পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে সেটা সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া হবে এবং এটা আমি নিশ্চিত এটা খুব কম সময়ের মধ্যে আমরা সেই সিদ্ধান্ত নিতে পারি। দেশ গড়ার যে প্রত্যয় আমরা নিয়েছি, আমরা ঐক্যবদ্ধভাবে সেই কাজটা করব। শুধু নির্বাচনের আগে নয়, নির্বাচনের পরেও বাংলাদেশ গড়ার যে প্রত্যয় নিয়ে আমরা সবাই ঐক্যমত হয়েছি সেটা আমরা সামনের দিকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাব।
Leslie Craig, head of the South Asia Regional Department, FCDO UK, accompanied by Commodore Valley, met with Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus today to brief him on the naval, oceanographic and survey vessel HMS Enterprise that is being procedure for the Bangladesh Navy. The HMS Enterprise is a multi-role hydrographic survey ship designed for hydrographic and oceanographic data collection. The UK team briefed the Chief Advisor on the various capabilities and roles that the ship had and was capable of. The Chief Advisor was keen to know how the platform would enhance Bangladesh's abilities to scope, survey and collect data from its waters for the benefit of science, knowledge and research. He also requested the UK team to assist by providing what equipment might further be needed to enhance its capabilities and knowledge in the maritime domain, find ways for new resource exploration, study effects of climate change, help preserve mangrove forest, conduct fishery studies, research biodiversity and a host of other issues. Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus joined an interactive session with students in London. The session was held at Dorchester Hotel today. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir observed that the uncertainty has been resolved through the meeting between Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus and the acting chairman of BNP, Tariq Rahman. He said this at a press briefing today at the BNP chairperson's office in Gulshan. Mirza Fakhrul said the nation was waiting for this meeting. This meeting has turned into a turning point, said Mirza Fakhrul, adding that this meeting proves that people can unite even amid a crisis. He further said that now it's necessary to build national unity, keeping behind all mistakes of past. We are moving forward democratically with preparations for the elections. It is a matter of practicing democracy, he added. Five dengue patients died in the country during the past 24 hours, the highest single-day death toll from dengue this year. Moreover, 159 dengue patients have been hospitalized in the last 24 hours, with 124 of them from Barishal Division. Physicians fear that if effective mosquito control measures are not taken immediately, this year's dengue situation may surpass all previous records. A survey on Aedes mosquito breeding conducted in the 2 weeks before the Eid al-Azha holidays found larvae of Aedes mosquitoes in 7 to 8 out of every 15 houses in the capital. This year, the dengue strain appears to be more aggressive. Many people initially try to treat themselves at home, but seek hospital care only when the platelet count drops. Experts emphasize that the most crucial step in fighting dengue is destroying mosquito breeding grounds. According to the Directorate General of Health Services, most of the dengue patients are between the ages of 17 and 35. 2 people died from coronavirus infection in the country in the past 24 hours. 15 more COVID-19 cases were reported out of 174 tests during the same period. Meanwhile, as precautionary measure, COVID-19 testing is being reinstated in major hospitals of the country. To facilitate this, 28 rapid antigen test kits are being distributed to hospitals equipped with RT-PCR labs. From tomorrow, COVID-19 tests will be available at Dhaka Medical College Hospital. The Directorate General of Health Services has urged the people not to panic and to follow the health guidelines carefully. The Directorate General of Health Services has increased monitoring at ports and issued 11 directives for the public to prevent corona transmission. Besides, COVID-dedicated hospitals are also being kept ready. Experts believe that adherence to health protocols and information-based awareness campaigns are effective ways to prevent the spread of coronavirus. After the long Eid holidays, the number of working people returning to the capital is steadily increasing. People are coming back to their busy lives using buses, launches and trains. Meanwhile, some are still leaving Dhaka today to spend time with family or for leisure trips. Just as people had returned home for the emotional pull of their roots, they are now returning to their workplaces out of necessity. A visit to several bus terminals, including Saidabad in the capital, revealed that many who stayed in Dhaka during Eid due to work or responsibilities are now heading back to their hometowns. On the other hand, those who spent Eid in the villages with their families are now returning to Dhaka for professional obligations. Although there is no major transport crisis, fare hike or passenger harassment reported, returnees to the capital have expressed mixed reactions. While the full rush of people returning to their workplace hasn't been observed yet, it is expected that by next Sunday, Dhaka will return to its usual hustle and bustle. People will resume their busy routines, continuing their endless journey for life and livelihood, so believe many. Now international news.